Hey, what's happening, Singing Heads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we go ahead and give this video a big like. We'll be putting out a video or a short every day, so come on and rock with us. So we're about to get into this weekly heat.
Yeah,
First
weekly
coming
heat.
off, what do we got?
July the 6th, we got those twos coming out. They are a women pair. Asking price for those are 150. Hey, let us know if you rocking or dropping those. For me, bro, I'm dropping those, man. Thumbs down. Thumbs down over here, bro. What you like?
I do like the colorway. I think this is a clean colorway, but it is a women's silhouette, so I'm gonna rock them as far as the colorway. But because there's another color that I'm waiting for, that you know I'm waiting for, the UNC. I
Yes,
have to save
sir.
my money. I can't be buying every single shoe, so I'm still gonna rock them.
Yeah. What else is out there?
So moving on to the 8th, which is a Saturday, we have the UNC colorway that I'm looking forward to. Unfortunately, I still have to wait some more because will be only a GS release. Unfortunately, so somehow the men's got pushed back to the 22nd is what I'm hearing right now. Keep in mind this is a colorway that's considered a PE back when Michael Jordan was playing at the University of Carolina. And I do have twos in my collection. So I am a favor of twos. And I can't wait to get these lows in my hand. I mean, the
Yeah.
22nd can't get here fast enough. I just hope that I win the raffle so I won't have to pay that resale. But as you know, twos don't go for much and they're not really busting. So hopefully I'll be able to secure my pair easily.
Yes,
So are
sir.
you rocking these or dropping these? The UNC colorway.
Hey, I'm rocking those. I'm rocking those. I give them thumbs up. But hey, if you guys like content like this, hey, check out this video right here.
And like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.